guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be talking about powder before foundation. This is kind of strange because I've seen people around like it's all over the place now. I don't know really, but most of the people I've seen, they are swearing about powder before foundation, because typically it should be foundation before powder, but it's the other way around. Like now it's powder, is powder before foundation. So I just thought, you know what, let me try out this technique and see how it goes, because the purpose of this powder before foundation, as I said, is for oily skin, people with oily skin. It's gonna make the makeup stay long, like stay for the whole day without bringing out any oil on your face. The face will stay matte all day. So well, I've got like a combination skin. I've got both dry and oily skin on my face. Some part of my face gets oily, especially my nose gets oily when the makeup stays for too long. But anyway guys, I'm gonna be trying out this technique and see how it goes. So I'm gonna talk you guys through it and every process, and I'm also going out. I will get back to you guys after. I'll get back to you guys later for review to see what the makeup still looks like on my face after walking the old town after the whole day. So yeah, come along with me guys. So firstly, I haven't got anything on my face. This is just my face. The only thing I've done is my eyebrow and my lipstick. Aside that, I haven't put nothing on my face. So the first thing that will go in is my powder. So I've got my powder from MAC, of course. So here I've got my powder and my powder brush. So we're going with this first. Guys, make sure you're putting a good amount of powder. Don't be stingy. It's your powder and it's your face, guys. Just put a good amount on your face. Now I've got a powder on my face. Now is the foundation. So now guys, I have my foundation here with my beauty blender. No problem. And I'm also gonna go in with some foundation on my neck, because my neck is exposed, just to blend it together with my face, because we don't want a lighter face and a darker neck. Blending the face more. this is it, guys. So far so good. I think I'm loving it. I don't really see any much difference between applying that. I mean, not I don't mean no more. I mean in terms of the application, because at first I thought if I put the powder before the foundation, it's not gonna like, blend in smoothly. But trust me, guys, it goes really well. I had no problem with that. It's really really works well. So now, guys, I'm gonna go in with hold on, let me check my face very well. Let me be sure that yeah. Okay, guys, I've got my setting powder here. It's MAC, and it's loose. It's loose. Then this, I'm just gonna go in under my guys, I've got my metallic bronze brush here. This is what it looks like, guys, and the back like that. Anyway, this we go on my nose. I don't want to put too much, so and I've also got my contour. My contour powder is here. There. That will go. I'll use that to bring out the shape of my nose and makes it look straight. And the last but not the least is the mascara. I already have my lashes done, so yeah, I have my mascara just to bring out my natural eyelashes, the one underneath. Alright, guys, that is it. After apply, I put the powder first and then my foundation follows. After that, I did not put any more powder on top. So that is the goal, guys. You should not put any more powder on top. Just the powder first and then the foundation. And then you can do the rest of your contouring and blah blah blah, your whatever, but don't put any more powder on top. So guys, that is the look of the day. That is all. Do you love my hair? Do you love my hair, guys? I've got a lot of compliments about this hair, but seriously, guys, this is not my type of hair. I love something really funky, something really, bulky, but because of the weather, I was feeling really really dizzy, too hot and all of that. So I don't want to, I wanted something simple, something to just, that I don't have to be packing and be doing this and be doing that, something blowing all over the place. So I just thought, you know what, let me just do something simple. But trust me guys, I've got a lot of compliment and it makes me feel really good about myself, even though I don't like it, because I thought it's those grandma's hairstyle. It's not my type of hair, guys. I'm going out now and I'm really gonna get back so late, but when I get back guys, I'm gonna show you my makeup, what it looks like, if it's gonna stay matte all day, if I'm not gonna get any oily part of my face. Then let's see, let us see guys. Okay, I'm really loving my face. Actually, my face is popping, like really popping. It's really popping guys. What do you think? My face is on fleek. I love it. I love the makeup. I love it. I kind of, to be honest guys, my face looks more glowing. I think I'll stick to this technique, but not yet. I'm gonna see if it's truly gonna stay matte all day. Then I'll stick to it, because it kind of, you know, I don't know what to say, but you know, you've seen me with makeup guys. What do you think? I think I love it. I love this one. I love it. Powder first before foundation. It kind of gives my face that glow. I don't know how to put it, but I know there is a big difference. Trust me guys, there is a big difference. I love it. Hello everyone, I'm back again just to reveal the makeup, and as you can see, the makeup, I did not touch it up, I did not do anything to it, and it's still really popping. Seriously guys, I am sticking to this makeup. Like, trust me, it's not even sticky. You get what I mean? Like, look guys, like nothing, like it's just dry, like really dry. And I did not even use my setting spray, because the job of the setting spray is to just make it stay matte all day. But I did not use the setting spray because I want to really see what this is all about. But trust me guys, I am loving this. I am sticking to this. I love my face. I'll see you guys next week. Take care of yourself. Love you so much. Bye bye.